This video gives information on Kangen Water External Filters. Today I received the box from Energic full of Kangen Water goodies, and I want to show you what they are. This is the internal replacement filter for the K8 Kangen Water machine. It is small, but it filters most solids, and it is great at removing a wide range of impurities in chemicals. But if you want to supplement the internal filter with some external filters, there's the choice of 6. They have different properties, so I'm gonna show you what each one does. This is the blue filter. It's called the 5-micron sediment remover. It removes mechanical particles. It removes dirt and sediment. So here's this one. You can write the installation date and the replacement date. They last me for a year, even though it says between 3 and 6 months. It depends on how dirty your tap water is. I particularly like the grey one because it removes fluoride. If you have problems with the thyroid gland or pituitary gland or any other hormonal disturbances, this is a good filter to have. There you go, fluoride reduction. And it says it reduces fluoride by up to 90%. I can vouch for that. I use this a lot. It says service life is 1 to 2 months, so you have to change this filter more regularly than the others. This one, it says filter life between 3 and 6 months, although it's lasted me for about a year. The green one removes limescale. Because these are Japanese, I know the label says limescale. They've got it wrong. But this is for removal of limescale, and it does the job very well. I live in a hot water area, and I find that this green filter is essential. I leave it on all the time. And this filter is particularly important if you want to produce strong alkaline water, 11.5 pH. The purple one is an all-rounder. The purple filter is called the triple sediment filter. It removes dirt, chlorine, and limescale. Because this is a combination filter to remove chlorine and limescale, this only does a mild filtering of limescale. If you want a better filter from limescale, then go for the green one. There is a black one and one other color, and they're also for very specific uses, but these are the ones I generally use, and you can change them, so you can have a combination of one or another. They're all sealed with this little protector, so when you want to use it, you remove the pin and you screw it onto the base. So when not in use, I put the cap on, and it protects the filter. It extends the life of the filter. They're generally good for 6 months, except for the fluoride one. There you go. They have 3 to 6 months. It depends on whether you're a family of 1 or a family of 2 or 3 or a very large family. I vary the combinations. So if I'm making strong alkaline water, I would have the green one and the purple one. If I just have my normal drinking water, I would use the fluoride and maybe one of the others. And this filter lasts for about a year if one person uses the machine. If a whole family uses the machine, it will last between 6 and 8 months. I hope you find this information useful.